Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to perform an easy oil change on your Volvo XC60. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need some basic tools like a 17mm socket for the drain plug and a 36mm socket for the oil filter housing. Don't forget a T30 Torx bit for the splash guard. Also, have your new oil filter, a fresh drain plug washer, and about 6 quarts of the correct synthetic engine oil on hand. With your Volvo safely elevated on jack stands, the next step is to access the drain plug. You'll need to remove the engine's protective splash guard, which is typically held in place by several T30 Torx screws. Once that's off, locate the 17mm drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan, then carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow out completely. While the old oil drains, let's tackle the oil filter. The filter housing is usually found on top of the engine. Use your 36mm socket to unscrew the cap. Remove the old filter element and replace the large O-ring on the cap and any smaller O-rings that came with your new filter. Lubricate the new filter's gasket with a thin film of fresh oil before installing it and reattaching the cap securely. Once the old oil has fully drained, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to the specified torque. Now, it's time for the fresh stuff. Using a funnel, carefully pour in about 6 quarts of your Volvo's recommended synthetic engine oil. Replace the oil filler cap, start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then shut it off and check the electronic oil level display for an accurate reading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.